Do you want to know how you can change your email address in Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your email address on Frollo. Go ahead and install Frollo and sign up for Frollo if you don't have your account yet. After that, go ahead and open Frollo, which is on your phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and write down your passcode which you have set, and you can see the profile on the left hand side. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see your email address. Go ahead and tap on it. To change your email address, what you need to do is remove the previous email address which you had just set and write down a new email address. After you have written it down, go ahead and click on the tick mark. Then you must check your email address which you have just added. So go ahead and open your Google account and open the mail, and you can see the mail sent to you by Frollo. Go ahead and tap on it. Scroll a bit down and you can see the confirm icon. Go ahead and tap on it. After a while, this page will load up, and there you go. You have just changed your email address. Go ahead and go back to the app again and write down your passcode which you have set. As you can see, you have changed your email address. Go ahead and click finish, and you can see your email address has been changed successfully. So guys, this is how you change your email address on Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.